The acclaimed Roadrunner uses speed. She's only 10 inches tall, but she can run up to 17 miles per hour, faster than the average human can sprint. The Roadrunner is on the lookout for prey and uses her long tail to help with steering, balancing, and braking. She's not alone. It's a western diamondback rattlesnake. Aggressive and defensive. It rattles a warning. The Roadrunner would be wise not to get too close. The snake's venom could kill a human and likely make short work of the small bird. But the Roadrunner is fast. And she knows an opportunity when she sees one. She's thrashed the snake. The Roadrunner would usually forage for insects and bugs, even eat wood and bark if she had to. But with a belly full of snake, there's no need. Eating a varied diet is a useful strategy when food is scarce.